Blessings, everyone. Welcome to Mr. and Mrs. Gold's YouTube channel. I am Mrs. Gold. I know it's been a long time, guys. I've been extremely busy, literally traveling every week, working 7 days a week. And now I got some time off and I need some prayers up too. So now I'll be able to talk about certain topics. I know I'm late in regards to Alkaline Grammy consideration, but there's some information. Of course, I always have to come with some different information that I need to bring to you guys to show the essence on why this is such a big deal, why this Grammy time is different than any other. So let's get into it. Now, for those that may not have known, Alkaline has submissions for Grammy considerations for his single Na Le Game. Basically translated in English means I'm not leaving the game. I'm not leaving nowhere. People talk so many crap about this talented artist. And he sent out a message saying, I don't care what you say. I ain't going nowhere. I'm going to continue to be bad and tear up the place. Sorry, I'm supposed to be translating here. Anyhow, so Now Left the Game has been considered for Record of the Year. Now Left the Game has also been considered for Song of the Year and Best Global Music Performance, which is crazy exciting. The song is being considered for multiple categories, and the Grammys is doing a lot of new things this year, so I will talk about that some more. That's why this year is a special year to be a part of history. Anyhow, let's talk about Now Left the Game. I just wanted to big up Sponge Music. Sponge Music, big up yourself. You're always doing new things, always doing great things, always sharing my videos. So, you get extra big up. But I just wanted to highlight something that when he released this song, there was an article way back in the Star, February 6, 2024, when SpongeBob predicted that Na Left the Game will be one of the biggest hits this year. And look where we are now in late 2024. So big up for the prediction. Autobomb Records also had a part of this as well. Can't leave out Autobomb Records, always sharing our stuff as well. Big up the two teams that came together. Alkaline just has some good producers in general. So in this article, other than him making a prediction that it was going to be one of the biggest songs for 2024, he also stated that, Alkaline's a trendsetter. He's a game changer. And, you can't expect nothing more than the best from this artist. Now, credit goes to him because he seeked out Atlanta-based Jamaican video director Deuces Benny to create the stunning visuals for this video. And Sponge quoted saying, "This video is on a whole different level. It was filmed in some of the most opulent parts of Miami. I have to give a lot of props to Deuces Benny for his vision and creative energy. I also have to big up Alkaline's manager, Karina Beckford, and Autobomb Records team." Yo, big up to Carrie. Carrie is the one that we also, she's going to say it's a whole team effort, I'm sure, but we have to give her props because she's one of the best managers, if not the best managers in Jamaica right now. And she's doing the thing and she's getting Alkaline out there, who was also her brother. So big up yourself, Carrie, all the time, sister. And we also have to give respect to Sponge's sister, Tanya Wilson, who helped him launch the SpongeBob music imprint in 2020. And since then, he's been creating some hits. So this is, I'm sure, a proud moment for both of them. Now, what's so special about this year? I said I'll touch that. So the Recording Academy, which is the Grammy, aka the Grammy. Now, there's been a lot of criticism that the Grammys is made up of a bunch of old white men that are making decisions on music when they don't have any idea what some of this music is around the world, how it's significant, what makes it a hit in certain places around the world, and there should be more diversity sitting on the panel. So they've made some changes, so let's go through them. So since 2019, the Grammys has welcomed over thousands of new voices to the recording voting membership. These new members provided fresh perspectives and represented a significant shift in how we recognize and celebrate excellent music. Our expanded voter base brings diverse genre expertise, multiple generational insights. So that's different age groups bringing their own insights on music, from the elders to the young, varied industry roles and experience. So now it's not just like the US classical music, hip hop, R&B. Now we have people who are involved that are from different genres of music, such as dancehall, reggaeton, Afrobeats, and what else is out there. Because, remember, there's other places too that have other musics with different labels. So, other than 8,700 curators being added to the voting members of the Recording Academy, there is now 65% growth in communities of color that are now voting Grammy members. The percentage of Black or African American plus voter members have grown by 90%. Like, that's huge. Like, that's crazy. That should have been hyped from a long time. The percentage of Hispanic or Latin voters members have grown by 43%. We've seen the Black one was higher. Asian or Pacific Islanders voting members have doubled, reflecting 100% increase. That's huge because we know the Asian population is large and is diverse as well in itself. So it needs to reflect the different parts of the world that it represents. So definitely impressed by that one as well. That was definitely much needed. So because of all this exciting things going on, Grammys want to let you know the progress isn't all about statistics. It's about their voices shaping the future of music. As our voter base has diversified, so does our perspective on the influence of the Grammys. So kudos to the Grammys and kudos to Carrie and the team and Alkaline for being a part of this historic moment of the Grammys. So, Vendetta people, we don't really watch awards and all these kinds of things. We're proud of our artists no matter what. But for Alkaline to be a part of this history is still a big deal. And we are happy that he is part of it. Now, to end this video off, I'm going to just bring something to your attention. There was an article on IRIFM.net on October 16th, 2024, that says CBS New York to air special feature on the 2024 Grammy Reggae category. This is cool. So CBC New York is going to air a special feature on the 2024 Grammy category, the nominees and their body of work. The feature, which is set to air on the Donna Drake Show, will broadcast live on Saturday, October 19th. So that would have been yesterday. It's believed several albums will be highlighted from the category during the program. According to reports, albums and artists to be highlighted during the segment include Shinsia Bob Marley, but also Sean Paul and Alkaline will be highlighted for their dancehall artist consideration in the category of Best Global Music Performance. So this is cool. The Reggae Grammy category has 75 entries up for consideration this year by 10 albums from the last year. The noseminees are scheduled to be announced on November 8th, 2024. So let's listen out for that. And I haven't also been able to find Donna Drake Show live from yesterday. So if you know where it is, please provide us with the link below. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share. And prayers are back to you all. Bless up.
Yeah, man, you don't know Quantum X representing for Mr. and Mrs. Gold YouTube channel. You hear them name? Gold. Yeah, and the rest of them are Mole. They might take the bad road and we take the toll. Just like, subscribe, comment, and scroll.